Hello viewers, welcome back to Epic More Show. Today we are still talking about Igbology and Cultural Heritage Masterclass. And in this class, we are going to decode Igbo proverbs, poetry, oral literatures and traditions as tools for critical thinking and innovation. Like we have in our philosophies, the Igbobike philosophy, the Onyangalamanya philosophy, the Egbebere Ugobere philosophy, and so on and so on. All these philosophies are going to be extracted and bring out those solution ingredients that is needed to solve today's problem. At the end of this program, all participants are entitled to Creative Solution Award Certificate and positioning yourself for the next level of success. So, don't miss this opportunity. Hurry now and apply for Igbology and Cultural Heritage Masterclass. Right now, we are offering 100% scholarship to the first 100 persons to register for this course. And see you at the top. Thank you for your interest on Igbology and Cultural Heritage Masterclass. Share this video, encourage what we are doing, and we shall all celebrate at last. At this point, I say, Egbebere Ugobere. Nkesi beye bela. Nku akwalea kama nyazi ebo gebe. Mmiri atala azụ anwana. Nke onye echiri nyazere. Onye gbube achara, onye gbube. Zaram the rest in the comment section. If you have any question, don't forget to drop on the comment section. Are you watching from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter? Don't forget to drop your message.